are here in Kazakhstan because Central Asia is becoming more and more important in the creative sector.
Creative hubs radiate, as I said. They create challenges, they create a ripple effect around them.
One of the important roles that GCEC can play in accelerating the development of creative hubs is by sharing experiences from around the world, success stories, case studies of how hubs have accelerated business growth.
The democratic institutions are not fully in place, so we need to create these hubs or intermediaries to act as spaces to bring the different stakeholders, the opinions of creative sector, bring the authorities, to bring the private sector, bring civil society, and then this becomes a mode to generate conversation and also channel the opinion towards policy.
Whenever they make a policy that has to do with creative economy, it can actually accommodate the needs of the creators, the needs of the creative communities, and also professionals.
Creative and cultural industries can definitely take advantage of this new shape of globalization to find a way to reach more diverse and a bigger context of trades, interaction, and competition.
And in Kazakhstan too, creative entrepreneurs are beginning to build a new economy. It's an economy that generates jobs, that drives innovation in other parts of the economy, raises the profile of Kazakhstan internationally, and contributes to a more sustainable world. So it's in all our interests that this new creative economy in Kazakhstan is a big success. And it's a great pleasure for all of us to be here today, working with the Creative Industries Alliance of Kazakhstan to make these dreams come true.